What is Scribeist? Scribeist is an AI-native writing platform designed to eliminate the friction of context switching. Unlike generic AI tools, Scribeist provides specialized workspaces for novels, blogs, and general writing. The key difference is that its AI has full project context. It understands your specific characters, research notes, and prior drafts within a workspace rather than treating every document as a blank slate. Create a Scribeist account to begin. Visit Scribeist.com and click Sign Up or Get Started. You can create an account quickly using Google, GitHub, or your email and a password. If you use an email and password, a verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open it and click the link to activate your account. Once verified, log in to access your dashboard. Create your first workspace. Once you've logged in, it's time to set up your first Scribeist workspace. Step 1. Your writing. Choose what you will use Scribeist for. In this example, we'll select options like blog writing, newsletters, and research to help the platform tailor your experience. Then, click Continue. Step 2. Workspace type. Next, choose your creative path. You can select from a novel, blog, or general workspace. Each loads a different set of specialized tools, Mythos for novelists or SEO audits for bloggers. In this example, we will choose the blog workspace and click Next Step. Step 3. Workspace name. Here you name your masterpiece. Give your project a descriptive name, like My Marketing Blog or Project Alpha, and hit Next Step. Step 4. Font selection. Set a typeface that suits your writing style. In this example, we'll select Roboto. Don't worry, you can change your font anytime in the workspace settings later. Step 5. Connect your site. Optional. If you're in a blog workspace, you can add your website URL to unlock the site board. This allows Scribeist to crawl your site to provide internal link suggestions, topic clusters, and full SEO audits. We'll skip this for now, but it's a powerful tool for content strategy. Step 6. Author details. Finally, choose your language, English in our case, and add an optional author or pen name and a workspace description. These details are used as metadata when you export your work to formats like EPUB. You can fill these in now or hit Skip to finish later. Final steps and trial reminder. That's it. You've created your first workspace. You can follow the brief walkthrough to get familiar with the interface, or skip it to start creating immediately. I highly recommend reading the instructions file already open in your editor. It's your comprehensive guide to everything in the dashboard. As a final reminder, your new account includes a 7-day pro free trial with all features unlocked. You'll start with 100 AI credits to test the context-aware writing assistant, so make the most of this period to explore how Scribeist fits your workflow. Thank you for watching.